Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings here. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on clip. You come here to share downgrades here notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.